Okay, so let's look at ABC. Let's get started. So, very good. So let's get started. So A, we want to start at the bottom. We have these nice lines here. Very good reference. Start at the bottom. Work our way up and down and then across. A, nice and consistent. Up, down, across. Uppercase, and then have a lowercase a. Now starting just at the middle, halfway through A, loop down, loop back up, and down again. A. Nice and straightforward, very simple. And B, let's start at the top, make our way down, back around B. Very nice. B. Beautiful. Capital letter B. And a lowercase B. B. At the top, down, up, halfway up, loop around, B. B. Notice how it's consistent. The top part of the lowercase is halfway up the uppercase. Nice and consistent. And also the height here is consistent. Very good. Now let's look at C. Starting at the top, nice curve, like that, beautiful. C. And let's go for a lowercase. K. Halfway, let's get rid of that. About halfway, C. And K. Beautiful. Very clean. Very clean, very pristine. Okay, let's do it once more. So A, very good. Let's add a little extra there. And A, uppercase, A, and A, lowercase. And B, and B, or B. Very nice. And C, and K, or curly K, C, K. How beautiful. Let's do it once more, just once more. A, up and down, A, and A. Beautiful. B, B, B. B. Very nice. And C, or C, K. C and K. Okay, so let's write some words, but I forgot which words exactly. So let's have a look at apple. Apple. Let's have a look at apple. Okay, very good. Apple. Let's try it this way. A. Very good. P. L. E. Apple. Very nice. And let's try Adam, a name. A. D. A. M. Very nice. And let's have ball. B. A. L. L. And bat. B. A. T. Very nice. And let's have cat. Very straightforward. C. A. T. Cat. Very nice. And cage. C. A. G. E. Cage. Very nice. Again, remember that the lowercase generally is at the top of the middle, and all the lower cases are the same height. quite consistently. Quite consistently. Although this E here really should be rewritten. There we are, a little nicer. Yeah. And these parts here on the L are no higher than the capital letter, and this part on the D, this part on the T, no higher. No higher. No higher. Very good. Let's do it once more. A, B, and C. Beautiful. How cool is that? Let's keep going.